Hey Trailblazers, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Guess what? We are flying to Forcelandia 2024. Today, we are diving deep into the Forcelandia 2024, a must-attend event for anyone in the Salesforce ecosystem. Whether you are a seasoned admin or a budding developer, or just starting your Salesforce journey, Forcelandia has something for you. So, what is Forcelandia? Forcelandia is a premier Salesforce community conference. It's a goldmine of learning, networking, and fun for trailblazers of all experience levels. We are here talking about insightful sessions, hands-on workshops, and the chance to meet and connect with fellow Salesforce enthusiasts worldwide. Now, why you should attend that? Here are just a few reasons why Forcelandia 2024 should be on your calendar. Number 1. Level up your skills. Deepen your Salesforce knowledge with a wide range of sessions led by industry experts. Learn about the latest features, discover hidden Salesforce gems, and get practical tips to take your skills to the next level. Number 2. Network like crazy. Forcelandia is a goldmine for building connections. Mingle with other trailblazers, Salesforce MVPs, and industry leaders. Share your experiences, learn from each other, and surely expand your professional network. Number 3. Fuel your Salesforce passion. Immerse yourself in the vibrant Salesforce community. Get inspired by the energy, enthusiasm, and innovative ideas that flow freely at Forcelandia. How to find out more? To learn more about Forcelandia, head over to the official Forcelandia website, and to register, check out the agenda and book your spot. Trust me, you won't regret it. So Trailblazers, are you ready to supercharge your Salesforce skills and network with the best in the business? We'll be joining Forcelandia this year too. If you are also joining, don't forget to meet us and make the most of this event together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Salesforce insights and adventures. Until next time, keep on trailblazing.